besties, in today's video I am going to be doing my budget with me, but I'm doing it like super duper late. So have you ever gotten paid and you didn't do your budget before you actually got paid, and then the weekend came and you're into next week, a holiday came, and you're like, you know what, I still need to do the budget and not just say forget it? Well, if that's you or have been you, then this is the video for you, because I am going to be showing you what I actually do to kind of get back on track without allowing the full pay period to go without budgeting. So I don't want to just say forget it and wait. I did another video like this before, but I don't think I was as late for doing my budget into the budgeting pay period. So anyway, if that's something you're interested in, then just go ahead and keep on watching. If this is your first time here, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel I talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. I really encourage that you subscribe to the channel. We are on our way to 100K, okay? So this budget with me is also gonna be a little bit of chitter chatter or chat with me or whatever they call those videos, because I do need to update you guys on just some stuff that's happening. So I figure why not just talk to you guys on this video. So I was paid 3 months or 3 times in the month of August. And some of you guys may know that I was really trying to see if I would be able to feel 3 paychecks, because I was paid 3 times earlier in the year and I actually didn't feel 3 paychecks. And so I'm doing the experiment, or did the experiment in August, to really pay attention and see if I can actually feel the 3rd paycheck as it being like savings. So this was my overflow month, and I'm gonna let you know if I felt it. I have an answer. I have an answer. So just like I stated, I have gone through this pay period and I didn't do my budget before I got paid. It was just a lot going on. So what I did was I went into my account, because I actually did spend money. I went into my account and I looked to see how much money I did spend, or I actually wrote down I wrote down everything that I did spend, and I'll calculate all of that, and then when it comes to me doing the budget, then I will make the adjustments there. Okay, so make sure you guys are really tuned into that. So this is my calendar for the month of August. I'm actually going to need the September calendar because I was paid here on the 30th, and it's gonna take care of all of the bills that I have for the first 2 weeks of September, which I've already done the overview. So if you haven't caught that video, definitely check it out. I have my bill tracker here, and then I have the expense tracker, and then my budget tracker. So first and foremost, before I get to the budget, was I able to feel the 3rd paycheck? And the answer to that is yes. So one of the besties had told me, you're not gonna really feel it unless you are already 1 month ahead. And I will say, I think that that is true, because I am already 1 month ahead and I was able to feel it. So this is my cash envelope here, and this is the money that I have left over from the month of August. So let's count it together so we can see how much money I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 1,450. 1, 2, 3, 4. So $1,454 is what I have extra now. So now I'm gonna get into completing my budget. And usually I'll have music going, and I you know what, I think I am gonna have to do that, because I'm not gonna be able to talk to you guys and complete the budget at the same time. Unfortunately, it just doesn't work out for me like that. So I am going to just let the music play, and then I'll come back and explain everything to you guys.
Sunlight, sunlight, isn't it the way you're moving? Sunlight, sunlight, is it in the way you're moving? What's heaven like when you're like that? Is it in the way you're moving? Sunlight, sunlight, is it in the way you're moving? What's heaven like when you're like that? Baby, give me more highlight, sunlight. Baby, give me more, some more, summer. It's a summer vibe when it's just you and I. Take your time, it's your life when it's just you and I. It's a summer vibe, yeah, it just feels so right. So take your time when it's just you and I. Sunlight, my light, feel it in the air, you're moving. It's better now, but you're.
Hey besties, let's go over the paycheck budget for August the 30th. I have an inflow bill account of $3,476.40. So this inflow doesn't account for, or this inflow amount, which is in my bill account, does not include my tithes, and it does not include my mortgage. Tithes have already been given. Mortgage is actually paid out of a different account. And then my HOA is moved back over to my bill account. So I forgot to put that here. So I'm going to need to add that, which is going to make the amount lower. So I will make sure that I take care of that. But for the purposes of this video and for me to kind of get it done, because I need to get it done, I'll just go over what I have. So for internet cable, $117.52, and this is on auto pay, so this will just come right out. ADT, this is a total of $59.99, and this is on auto pay, and this will come right out as well. And then Sirius XM, this is on auto pay, and this will come right out as well. Electric is September 7th, and I will need to make this payment manually, so I will make this payment today. And then also water is $54.83, and then my HOA is, oh gosh, it's $295. It has been increasing, and then I have to pay a fee with that, so yeah. Anyway, so total fixed expenses without the HOA amount is $414.80. And then looking at my variable expenses down here, groceries is $100. I've already spent the bulk of, usually I take $150 out, and I've already spent about almost $150. I think it was like 140 bucks. But the majority of that food that I bought was for Labor Day, because I did buy some food for Labor Day to cook. So that's not going to hold me for the next 2 weeks, or now like week and a half. So I said I'll take $100 out to do more grocery shopping. I don't know that I'll need the full 100, but I just want to make sure that I at least budget for it just in case I do. And then household, I've already spent some money on household goods as well. That was about 25 bucks. So another 15 bucks should do it. I really don't need much, but I just want to have it just in case I do. I think I need like some shower spray, and that's pretty much it. And then toiletries, I'm taking out the usual $40, and then gas $128.09. That is a grand total of $283.09, and then that leaves me with $2,778.51. In regards to sinking funds, I'm not really going to be doing anything right now. I might do it in the next pay period, but I just couldn't get my thoughts together of what sinking funds that I have right now that's priority. So I just said I just won't even deal with it, and maybe next paycheck I will deal with it. And then let's see here. So savings, I'm still going to be saving money, you guys. If you are not aware, I did talk about how I'm going to be getting paid after the layoff. I talked about that in my last video, so check that out if you want to know how I'm going to be getting paid. But I'm going to be getting like regular paychecks for the month of September, so the budget is not really going to look too much different. But you guys, I have some good news to share with you guys, or some, testimonials. As you guys know, I have really been focusing on trusting God in this season, and just really being open for any opportunities that may come to me. And I have gotten 2 pretty significant opportunities so far. I've gotten an opportunity to do an article about the No Spend Challenge, and then also, you guys, I got another opportunity to be on the news. What? So once I kind of get more information about the news one, I'll talk to you guys more about that one. But the article, I already did it. Once it's published, then I'll be able to tell you guys who the article is with, and let you guys know everything about that. But let me tell you, since I've been praying daily, opportunities are like knocking every day. And it's not necessarily, it's not like initially connected with money, but it's connected to my prayers and the opportunities and things like that. So, which is connected to money like down the line. But I was just like super grateful. Like, oh my God, like, Lord, what? Like, the news wants to talk to me? Like, you have got to be kidding me. So anyway, God is good. And I know a lot of you guys were like, take social media, like just run with it. And so I'm just in a space where I'm like, okay, God, what is it that you have for me in this season? I'm open and I'm willing to do, if it is going to be social media, then let's do it. Or if it is going to be, a job that gives me everything that I want as far as the salary, time off, like work-life balance, and all of that good stuff, still working from home, I'm making my prayers to the T point. Okay, this is what I want, and I'm developing boldness in these prayers and things that I'm asking for. So I'm just super excited about that. Like, there's more to come. I'm gonna keep telling you guys as these things are happening, but I was just shocked, especially at the news one. I was like, no. You want me to be on the news? What? So that's awesome. I was also awakened today in a way that I've never been awakened before. It's usually when I have like a bad dream, I wake up like, and this is how I woke up in this dream that I had today. I'll tell you guys more about the dream, but let me just say it was God saying, do it. And I like, you need to do it. So more to come on that, guys, but just know God has been talking. Okay, he's been talking. And it's just crazy how literally these things have been coming every single day as of last week, once I started reading Draw the Circle book, and then also once I started reading Atomic Habits and having our weekly lives. Yeah, so I'm excited about that. All right, you guys, so extra savings. Like I said, I'm still going to be saving while I am going through this transition. As you know, if I can save, I will definitely continue to do so. So I'm going to be saving $75 for the 52-week savings, and then $3K for $135 towards the 3K savings. That's a total of $210. It's gonna be leaving me with $2,568.09 in my bill account, but it's actually gonna be a little bit lower once I make that HOA payment, okay? So yeah, but I'm excited once again, you guys. If you are not aware, I was able to pay off my supplemental taxes. So my mortgage did decrease. And yeah, so actually I might just keep my keep my HOA going out of that account, because the amount, like, it's all the same. So the HOA may not come out of this. I don't know. I gotta crunch the numbers and work things out, but I'll let you guys know. So next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna visit the bank. I'm gonna take the money out the bank so I can stuff my envelopes and my savings challenge. And then I am also still doing the no spend challenge. So I'm really excited about this month, even though, you know, something really horrible is happening this month, but I'm excited about it. And I'm just, you know, trusting God. You know, his word is true. His word is true, and if I believe it, then I have to walk like it. I have to talk like it. I cannot walk in doubt, or, you know, he didn't bring me this far to say, girl, all right, peace out. Like, he ain't working out like that. So I just want to thank you guys so much for everything. Thank you for the super chats that you guys have been giving me. I truly appreciate that. Thank you guys so much for the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. You're like, watch it to the end. Thank you guys so much for that. Thank you guys so much for the encouraging words and the advice and everything that you guys are giving of your hearts and yourselves and your time. Like, it does not go unnoticed. I cannot thank you enough. You know, if I don't get to the comments, trust me, I'm going to get to them, especially now this week where, you know, I have a lot more time. I will be getting to them, but I just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I want to give you guys a heart, because it means a lot. So I will see you besties in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.